so in my previous video, I talked about visa-free countries you can travel to if you have Nigerian international passport. And in this video today, I'm going to be listing all the countries you can travel to and get your visa on arrival. Yes, as a Nigerian that have an international passport, you are eligible to travel to over 20 countries without a visa at all. And in my previous video, I talked about these countries. Now, in this video, I'm going to be listing out these other countries that permit you to come into the country without a visa, but then you'll be granted visa on arrival. So stick around, and please, by the end of this video, if you found value, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, and to save it for future references. All right, so let's dive straight into this video.
Alright, so the first country we have on the list is called Bolivia, with capital city called Sucre. This country is a landlocked South American country known for its rich cultural heritage and diverse landscape. One unique thing about this country is the fact that it is home to the world's largest salt flats called Sala de Uyuni, and the highest capital city. It houses the highest capital city called La Paz. Visa on arrival for this country can last for as much as 30 days. Yes. Now the second country we have on the list is called Burundi, with capital city called Gitega. It is also a small landlocked country in East Africa with stunning natural beauty and a complex history. One unique thing you need to know about this country is the fact that apart from its natural beauty, it also has very interesting lakes and a national park. Visa on arrival also lasts for as much as 30 days. Moving on to the third country on the list, we have Cambodia. It is a Southeast Asian country that is famous for its ancient temples, vibrant culture, and its resilient people. Visa on arrival for this country also lasts for as much as 30 days. Now, moving on, we have a country called Comoros, and its capital is called Moroni. One thing about this country is that it has 4-island nation off the coast of East Africa with stunning beaches, coral reef, and volcanic landscape. Visa on arrival for this country lasts for as much as 45 days. Yes, you can travel to this country for free and you will get your visa on arrival, which has lasted for as much as 45 days. Now, the next one we have on the list is called Lebanon. It is a Middle Eastern country known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and natural beauty also, with a mix of the Middle Eastern influences. Alright, visa on arrival for this country can last you for as much as 30 days for free. And then, if you want an additional 30 days, that is when you can now be compelled to pay, right? Now, let's move to the next one on the list. We have Madagascar. And this is a home to a unique array of wildlife and a variety of bird species, as well as stunning natural landscape. The interesting thing about this country is that their visa on arrival duration lasts for as much as 90 days. So you can decide to put this country into consideration, considering how long you can stay in their country. Alright, the next on the list we have is Maldives. Yes, one unique thing about this country is the fact that it has tropical island in the Indian Ocean, famous for its luxurious resorts, crystal clear waters, and stunning coral reefs. Visa on arrival for this country also lasts for as much as 30 days, and as you know already, this country is like the top vacation destination for a lot of Nigerians. So you can consider putting this into consideration if you want to if you're looking for somewhere to just go relax, have fun, and cool off. Alright, now moving on to the next, we have Mauritania. It is also a vast desert country in West Africa with a rich cultural heritage and historic towns. Yes, visa on arrival for this country lasts for as much as 90 days. That's 3 whole months. So also consider this when looking for countries you want to travel to for fun. Now, the next on the list is Mauritius. One unique thing about this country is the fact that it is a unique tropical island nation in the Indian Ocean with a diverse culture known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxurious resorts. Exactly. It is also one of the top destinations for vacation for a lot of Nigerians and even people from other countries. And the interesting thing about this country is that you can get your visa on arrival and stay for as much as 90 days. That is 3 months. Yes. The next on the list is Mozambique. Yes. One unique thing about this country is that, first of all, it is located in the southeastern part of Africa with a very rich history, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. This country is very beautiful, trust me, and it is known for its stunning beaches, coral reef, and wildlife reserve. So this is a very nice country if you want to go sightseeing, vacation, just want to go and see nature and all of that. Visa on arrival for this country also lasts for as much as 30 days. That's 1 month. Okay, so moving forward, the next on the list is Palau. Alright, this is a tropical island nation in the Pacific Ocean known for its stunning natural beauty, including rock island, coral reefs, and crystal clear waters. Visa on arrival for this country also lasts for as much as 30 days. Alright, this country is very beautiful. You can see it on the screen. You can see how the entire place is just looking so inviting. So you can think of also considering this destination as one of your vacation locations when choosing for where to go to relax. Alright, let's move forward. The next we have here is Samoa, located in the Pacific Ocean also, with a rich cultural heritage. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, including waterfalls, beaches, and coral reefs. The good thing about this country is that they not only grant you visa on arrival, you can also stay for as much as 60 days, that is 2 months. So you can go there, decide to go there for sightseeing, to relax, cool off, and all of that. All right, so the next we have on the list is Seychelles. Is also the capital of this country is Victoria, and it is also one of the top vacation destinations. Oh yes, so you can think of going to this country to go cool off your hair, to go have fun, and relax your body. This country is off the east of Africa, and it is known to have over 100 islands with its stunning natural beauty, including beaches, coral reef, and diverse wildlife. So you can also decide to go to this country because they grant visa on arrival for Nigerians, and you can stay for as much as 1 month, and your visa is even, you can also decide to extend your visa if you want to stay longer period of time. Please, if you're finding value in this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to share to your friends or to your loved ones, so that this channel can reach a wider audience and you can also benefit more and more things that we'll be putting up here. All right, so let's move to the next on the list. Right now we have Somalia here. It is a country in the East Africa with a rich cultural heritage and complex history. It is known for its historic cities, including Mogadishu and Kismayo, and its natural beauty, including the beaches and the coral reefs. Visa on arrival for this country also lasts for as much as 30 days, that's 1 month. All right, so the next we have here on the list is Timor-Leste. Capital city is called Dili. All right, so one unique thing about this country is that, first of all, it is a young nation in the Southeastern Asia with a rich cultural heritage. And another thing is that it is known for its stunning natural beauty, including the beaches and the mountains. Yes, you can get visa on arrival to travel to this country, and you can stay for as much as 30 days. And then the last but not the least on our list for today is called Tuvalu. And one unique thing about this country is that, first of all, it is a small island nation in the Pacific Ocean, and also it has a very rich cultural heritage, and it is known for its stunning natural beauty, including the beaches, the crystal clear waters, and the coral reefs. Visa on arrival for this country can last you for as much as 1 month, and if you decide to stay longer, of course, you can also extend your visa. Hope you found value in this video. We've come to the end of it. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said, if you got value in this, if you enjoy watching our channel, the kind of content we're putting out here. Please support the channel by liking, sharing to your friends, subscribing to this channel, and also suggest videos or the kind of topic you want us to discuss on this channel. And trust me, I'll be so happy, I'll be so interested to creating them for you. Okay, bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.